Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? And let's see, I have brought in my dragon cards this time. I remember I had brought in before also, but then I thought why not bring in again today. Um, those who have done my Merlin workshop and have felt the connect during the dragon meditation, I would suggest follow the dragon meditation whenever the dragon cards come. But those who have not done, it's completely fine. I will take you all through some simple things. The card which has come is magenta dragon. Okay, so basically if you see here, the dragon is looking back. Maybe something in the past is troubling you today. Maybe something which is happened is making you feel why it happened. Maybe you started your night with that, or maybe in the morning suddenly the thought has come, or it had come in the dream which is making you upset. But I will just say one thing: whatever happens in our life happens for a sole cause, and we should not worry about that. We should take everything as a lesson. Let's see one more card, then I will see what it is. Okay, golden orange dragon. I really love this card because it is a person who finds peace with not only themselves but also with those around them, and they just soar higher and higher, not bothering about what is happening, not worrying about what next, but they just keep soaring higher. Now, maybe because it's about soaring higher, this card has come for you to, move forward in life, work towards it. If you feel you are getting stuck, then call on the dragon energies, call on the dragons to help you to know what is your next step of life and how to, or, what is the decision you should take and what has to be done so that, you are happy and you are out of these things, because this golden orange dragon will make you powerful, will give you wisdom, will give you all the happiness. Because I feel the golden orange dragon is the main card today, I would suggest to wear the color orange today. Also, those who have carnelian with them as bracelet or tumble, carry it with you all today. And again, if you can, today, I don't know, I just feel go to some Hanuman temple or hear the Hanuman Chalisa in the morning before you start your day. And if you're going to the Hanuman temple, then donate some oil over there and come. And if you're not going, it's perfectly fine. Maybe just hear the Hanuman Chalisa at home, wear the color orange, and the day will be good and you will soar higher. Though it starts with little bit of upsetness, it is going to end with you becoming positive and you soaring higher and higher. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.